Wait, excuse me, sir? What song are you listening to?
Oh, is this for TikTok? I'm listening to Brown Noise by Eric Levenseller.
Alright, thank you so much.
Yo, I think that guy's on to something. Welcome to Productivity Maxing episode 6. And today's tip is brown noise. Even though studying may be more fun with music, it can be hard to get in that deep focused state, especially when there's lyrics. Brown noise has constant low frequency sound waves that will mute outside distractions. Give it a listen and tell me how it goes. Peace.